So they're really just plugging up that hole?
Yeah. You can see the dip in his fence. Come out here and have a look. See where the pole is he's sitting on?
Oh yeah, you're right. It does dip.
Like that. The size of that cane pole.
Oh wow. Big cane toad. It's huge. Mud crab.